Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials I'm going to show you how to use the learning management system of VEDAMO. I hope you find this useful. The LMS Account and Settings menu allows you to adjust the settings and manage the information for your organization. Before we go ahead with the general settings, here are the two other submenus of Account and Settings. Personal information contains detailed information about you, such as name, email ID, address, country, time zone, etc., as well as your role in the organization. In Users Authentication, you can choose Preferred Authentication for your users. Now, let's see what we can manage from the General Settings submenu. On a virtual classroom level, settings are divided into three groups: pre-session, in-session, and post-session. With these settings, you can customize your organization's learning environment for optimal comfort and efficiency. First, check if a device system is compatible with VEDAMO. You can opt for a check before each session or only once on a particular device. Then, define whether participants will be kept in the waiting room and if the setting will be applied for non-registered or for all users. The in-session settings are related to managing the permissions for participants, their video layout, or what and how they see the video boxes in the session, as well as the video background. The last part, post-session settings, consists of post-session surveys and session archives options. You can define a default survey for your academy and get the feedback you need from participants after the session ends. Moving on, you can fully enable or disable the recording or let the host choose and change it before the session starts. Below, you can manage the access, sharing and deleting of recordings, as well as automatically prevent from creating new virtual classroom sessions when the storage quota is exceeded. To make it easier, there is a search bar on the right-hand side where you can type in and find the setting that you need to manage. Now to the LMS tab. It contains settings related to user registration and access, as well as permissions for quizzes or tests. These are the general settings applied on an organizational level. Defining them not only streamlines class management, but also promotes consistency and structure across your organization. Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!